Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to use the tangent ratio effectively to calculate the sides in a right angle triangle. And to work out with tangent ratio, you are going to need an advanced calculator like this one to be able to find the tangents of different angles. And the opposite to find the angles if you know the tangent and so on. Right, so this is what you need to know. Here we have a right angle triangle. We have labeled the angle here in the corner as a theta, and the opposite side is this one here. This is the adjacent, so it's the one on the side of the angle theta. Now, tangent of this angle is going to be equal the division, is the answer to division of the opposite side by the adjacent side. So it's the length of the opposite side and the length of the adjacent side. So divide them together, and that is going to be the tangent of this angle, tangent theta. So what I've done here, I have underlined with the red color the T, O, and A. So remember these, TOA. Because we are going to need them when we solve problems in the future. So we know now the tangent, let's apply the TOA or the formula of the tangent ratio in this problem. We have a right angle triangle here. The angle here is 30 degrees. The opposite side is labeled as A, so it's unknown, and that's what you need to find out. Correct to 3 significant figures. The adjacent side is 10 centimeters. So, okay, as always, let's begin with writing down the formula. So tangent 30 is opposite side over the adjacent side. And then if you substitute, tangent 30 is A, so opposite is A over the adjacent 10 centimeters. Now, tangent 30, as I said, you are going to need this one, the calculator, to calculate the tangent 30. So to do this one, you press tan, and then 30, and then press equal. And this is the answer. Now, in this case, the answer is given as a fraction and a square root. So it's going to be square root of 3 over 3 equals A over 10. Now, depends what the problem asks you to do, but it says the side correct to 3 significant figures, which means the answer should be as a decimal number. So to change this fraction, now square root of 3 over 3, to a decimal number, all you need to do is press this button here, the S to D, this one here, press, and then the answer, can you see? The answer is going to be a decimal number, 0.577. So 0.577 equals A over 10. Now, I'm using up to 3 significant figures. The answer is much longer. I don't need to use the rest of the digits because this is the problem wants me to do. So I have 0.577 equals A over 10. Now, I have a denominator in this equation. What do I need to do first? I get rid of the denominator, which means to get rid of the denominator, I have to multiply both sides of the equation by 10. There you go, times 10 on this side, right? And times 10 on the other side. So there you go. Now I cancel the terms out. 0.577 times 10 becomes 5.77 equals A, right? So A, actually, this is the answer. A is going to be 5.77 centimeters, because we did work with centimeters here, and the answer is eventually going to be in centimeters, and that is correct to 3 significant figures. So 1, 2, 3. Next question. In this question, you need to find the length of side marked B. And you see the side marked B begins here and finishes here. And give your answer again in 3 significant figures. Now, we have, so this side B is part of this. You see this right angle triangle. Now, I'm going to label this right angle triangle just in case I'm going to need this labeling, ABC, And then here I am going to do I'd rather label this as a D, a DC, so I can use this, a BC. So it kind of relates to the lowercase b. So this is a D here, all right? Now, so the BC is part of a right angle triangle ABC. So tangent 30, okay, tangent 30 equals opposite side, which is AB, 30 degrees, okay, AB over adjacent is B. Now, tangent 30, we can find tangent 30. AB is unknown, BC is unknown, so we have two unknown. As finding the side B is the last final side we need to find out, we can work out with side AB. Can we find side AB? Now, side AB, as you see, is part of the other triangle. So triangle ADB. Can you see the side here? So we can find side AB separately and then substitute here to find the B. So let's, again, we know the angle 45 degrees, so let's use exactly the same formula, the tangent 45. So we have tan 45 degrees equals opposite over adjacent, so it's going to be AB over adjacent is DB, which is 5 meters in this case. So again, to get rid of the 5, you multiply by 5 both sides, okay? And then we have 5 times tangent 45. Again, I'm going to need the use of my calculator. I click tan 45 equals. The answer is 1. So 5 times 1 equals AB, right? So side AB is 5 centimeters, or AB equals 5 centimeters. And now I found AB, I can simply substitute in my very first formula that I used. So I'm going to have tan 30 equals 5 over B. 5 over B. Tan 30 again, even if you forget from the previous problem that we did, you can still use the calculator. So tan 30 equals square root of 3 over 3. And then in decimal number is going to be 0.577, 0.577 equals 5 over B. Again, I have a known or a variable in the denominator. To get rid of that, multiply by B, both sides. So times B times B. Cancel them out, and so I'm going to have B times 0.577 becomes 0.577 B equals 5. Equals 5. And to find the B, you divide by 0.577 both sides. And then so 5 equals 5 divided to cancel the 0.577 on the left-hand side. So divide by 0.577, divide by 0.577. And that's how you cancel the coefficient in front of the variable B. So let's find out the answer now. So we have 5 divided by 0.577. The answer is going to be 8.66. And this is correct to 3 significant figures, 8.66 centimeters, just like that. All right, so sometimes you may not be able to find the answer straight away, but you need another step. So have a look at other right angles, triangles that are involved in the picture, and yeah, just work out the solution slowly. Now here, you need to find the length independent. This is your independent work. You need to find the lengths of X and Y in this right angle triangle. See? X What is x? It's an opposite side of the angle 35 degree in this right angle triangle. And y is the adjacent side of this 60 degrees in this other right angle triangle. But I would advise you to label the whole triangle, to label all the corners, and take it from there. So apply the tangent ratio effectively. Well done. Thank you so much for watching math steps, and have a lovely day. Bye-bye.